Alright guys, Supreme Survival, back again with another video. This is going to be my cooking kit. Alright, we've already done a review on this pot, as my subscribers have probably seen. And this is the full cooking kit, but I don't know, I'm thinking about switching out one of these pots, one of these ones. Probably going to be this one, but anyway. Yeah, let's just get right into it. So, this pot is probably the most expensive here. But, you know, I got some oatmeal inside here. This is a zebra pot. It's like a 10 centimeter pot. So yeah, it's got this cool little steamer thing. Not sure how to steam anything, but pretty sure that's what it's for. Then, guys, all this is stainless steel, so it's kind of heavy, but oh well. This is just a little $4 pot you can get at Walmart. If you're really on a budget, you can just pick a couple of these up, and then you gotta cook yourself a cooking kit. But yeah, I just picked this up at Walmart because it's nice and cheap, and I only had this then, so it just fits nice inside there, like that. And what's nice about this one right here? It's got the billy handle, whatever you call it. It's nice because you can just, you know, hang it on a stick over a fire instead of something like this where it's got these fold-out handles. You got to set it on there. But just a nice little thing on this. So let's set that off to the side. Now this one will run you about like around $12 last time. I got this for Christmas, so I know it'll run you about $12, but it comes with two of these nice heavy-duty cups. I mean, they're pretty thick, if you can see that. And it's got measurements right there, so you know how much water you're putting in. It's got them in the inside too, just so you can see what you're filling it up to. This one I'd probably use just for, you know, water boiling. This one probably mainly be used for, you know, cooking food or anything like that. Yeah, probably the nicest one I got. Probably gonna get rid of this one out of my kit just because, I don't know, I'll throw it in a different kit though. Not gonna completely get rid of it. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video of the cooking kit. Usually I have some utensils, but I don't have any right now. A good addition to this kit would just be, you know, a little folding spork or spoon or fork or knife. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go watch some of our other videos. They're pretty decent quality, and you'll learn a lot. So if you want to watch a video, click over here, or another video, click over here. If you want to subscribe, click right here. Guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, comment, like, and share. Thank you for watching.